Well, here I am in Royce City, Texas, at the Royce City RV Park and Tiny Home Community, of which I have not seen any tiny homes yet. Anyway, it's kind of rustic. It's neat, clean, small, about 3.5 miles south of Buc-ee's, where I stopped for gas and food. And I took a few videos of Buc-ee's so you can get a feel for exactly what they are and why I'm so nuts about Buc-ee's. I love Buc-ee's. Only gas stations I've ever run into anywhere at any time that have 120 gas pumps and stay busy all the time. They also don't allow 18-wheelers on the property, so no trucks. So it's a neat, clean mom and pop, traveling family, campers, cars, pick 'em up trucks, and things like that. So, and it's huge, and it's really, really neat. So with that, I'm just going to say it was a good day. I did 399 miles, didn't work hard doing it, and stayed dry almost completely, just a few sprinkles. I will make Buda, Texas tomorrow afternoon sometime, and I've reserved 2 evenings there so I can spend at least a full day with my friends Roger and Roberta. And that's about the excitement so far. After that, I'll head to Phoenix. So there you go. I will let you see the videos and then call it a day. Bye. Well, here I am at another Buc-ee's. Interesting down there, a couple of old cars on a trailer. Nice looking. Look at that. It's a GTO, and I'm not sure what the Woody is. And right over here, there's my rig. And right in front of me, look at what's on these trailers. It's an old Imperial and a Corvair. Wonder what's going on with these cars, whether they're together or just happenstance. Anyway, there's the interstate. Here's Buc-ee. Here's 120 gas pumps all around there. Down this way and around the corner. And I'm pooping the dog, and then I'll go inside. All right, 3 signs that I love about Buc-ee's. One is here. The other is down here. And the third one is right here. No tractor trailers allowed in Buc-ee's. Cars and campers only. Well, welcome to Buc-ee's. I'm just sort of standing in the center here. I'm just going to sweep around. Loading over there. Here's the food court.
Thank you for your service, brother.
Hey, thank you, sir. Look at this place. Look at this food court. I am going to get some brisket on a sandwich. I'm just going to show you this thing. This is the food court. This is a gas station. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is why I go nuts over Buc-ee's. You want it, you got it. This is incredible. All this done. Look at the number of red shirts you can see. Every red shirt is an employee. This place is well populated, well served, just incredible. Everybody with a red shirt on is an employee. And here's how the other half lives. Brand new coach right off the production line. Driver is taking it to Canada for a show up in Canada. Brand new for Vogue. And then I have over here my little bounder, about 20% of it? Oh my, off we go. All right, one last Bucky deal. I have never in my life ever taken a picture, photograph, video of anything I'm eating, but this here's brisket sandwich, $9. Oh gosh, it's good. I've already taken a bite. It'd be good. Oh, there goes that big rig out the window. He's going to take it to Canada and drive that little truck back. This is a peach flavored muffin that I'll probably have tomorrow morning. And this is a crisp that they call a paddle. And I'm probably going to eat on that for about 3 days. And this is my cook. So I don't normally take pictures of my food, but this is typical Buc-ee's. This sandwich is incredible. And that's all. Now I'm going to look for a place to stay tonight. All right, here I am at Royce City RV Park. It's only about 3 miles away from Buc-ee's, so I just called them up, got in. There's the rig over there. Here's somebody else. Might be there, might not. And this is a cute little cabin here. Very rustic looking. Oh, that's the office. I'll be darned. It says so right in the corner. Office. Isn't that something? They're not here. We have to arrange to get together in order for me to pay them for this. But this is very quiet, being 3 miles away from the interstate. It's quite quiet here. Nicely wooded. Nicely cleaned up in the woods. And it looks like it's primarily permanent party people living here rather than being transient. Yeah, because these look like older trailers versus newer ones versus any Class A's or anything like that. It does go quite a ways down. Seems like a good sized place. I am not going to walk all the way down there, but it does go way down at the end, which is kind of cool. All right, so let's walk back. Anyway, a nice place for an overnight. All right, notice that this is not a level campsite. It slopes downhill. But the coach has automatic levelers on it. Push a button, you go down and lift the coach up as required in order to level it out. The noise you hear is the generator running. Tanks are empty, so I'm not even going to hook up the black water or sewer. I am going to hook up the power, which the coach will automatically take over using the power and stop using the generator. And I'm going to hook up the water. I am going to put some water into the freshwater tank because it's a little bit low. So I'm going to get hooked up now.